You have got to check out this listing we're sharing with you today. It is gorgeous. It's right in the middle of Saybrook. Let's go check it out.
This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home features a sizable Carolina room, a huge upstairs loft, as well as beautiful plantation shutters throughout the home. Wasn't this home beautiful? Honestly, this property has too many features and upgrades to boast about.
You're gonna absolutely love the whole Saybrook community. You are in minutes to Ulta, to Target. You can take your golf cart to the beach, and the amenity center is amazing. Give us a call.